Alright, I'm not going to do an unboxing video. I already opened this stuff up. Alright, I got the dual pack. Alright, welcome to the channel. As you can see by my thumbnail, I purchased a Rode Wireless Go 2 mic setup. I purchased it off of Amazon. It cost me, I don't know, $232. There'll be a link in the description below. Also, there's, if you want to, you can check out the website that'll be in the description below. It's a website that I created. It has all the links to all the products that we use on this channel related to this channel. Some of them will be Amazon links and some of them will be other links. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you use any of the links, I will receive a commission, a small commission, pennies on the dollar, if you choose to use those links. But it will not cost you any different than if you went and purchased it yourself. All right, just want to let you out there. So let's show you what I got. I'm not going to go through a whole spiel like everybody else out there, go through all the specs and this and that. I just wanted to upgrade some of my equipment here and try to up my game a little bit. So I have the Rode Wireless 2 mics, and then I will be getting a camera here in the near future, and then I'll be adding this to that. But for right now, I'm going to be adding this to my phone. As you all know, I do a lot of videos out over in my brother's garage. And I use my phone a lot, so the sound is not the greatest. As long as we're right next to the phone, to the camera, sound is good. You step away, yeah. And my brother does a lot of walking back and forth, so he'll be talking about something and I can't hear him. So then I have to, while editing, I got to crank up the sound, and then it gets a little distorted. So, with these, hopefully I'll have a mic on, and he will. And then hopefully we can, have better sound. But let me show you what I got. So you got one receiver, all right? And you have two transmitters. You get this little pouch here. Okay. What I have in here, I also have these little dead cats that pop on the top and twist, all right? Comes with a little cord that you can plug your transmitter or your receiver into your camera, all right? Or phone, or whatever. And then you get 3 charging cables, the USB-C, the USB. And then you have some instructions, which is just pictures, pretty much useless, maybe. All right, Google. All right, use Google. If you check out YouTube videos, there's a bunch of YouTube videos on everything on this. All right, so the receiver here. All right. Supposedly this will be all set up so that these should be automatically synced to each other. But if not, you just turn this on, hold this for 3 seconds, and I think there's a transmit here. Here we go, right here, transmit button right here, I think, to link it. Here, there's your decibel. There's a couple different settings, but for the most part, you can change a lot of it in your camera setup too. All right. Like I said, you got these muffs here, which you could pop these in here somehow. I'm not going to be using them. There we go. And then you just give it a twist. And look, all right. So, but I'm not going to get into that. You can all watch all these other YouTube videos. I just want to test them out. I'm going to plug these in and have them charged up first. And then I'm going to go through, set them up. All right? Okay, first off, I am charging the units, all right? So on the receiver, I don't know if you can see that, but it's green and it's saying that it's charging, all right? On the transmitter, it's flashing saying that it's charging, okay? When it's done charging, it'll be a solid blue. So this one's done charging. I just wanted to put a full charge on here before I start doing anything. Okay, on the receiver, when it's done charging, is just going to be solid green. It's not going to be going back and forth. Just to let you know. Alright, I have them all charged up. So let's turn these on here. Power button for the receiver. Press and hold for 3 seconds. Alright, it's coming on. There we go, it's on. I guess press and hold for 3 seconds. Alright. Oh, as you can see. So the blue light's your battery, and this other one saying that it's synced up with this. And this is saying this is number 2, and as you can see, I'm talking, and it's coming right up there. You can see the bar go across. Alright, let's turn this one on. 3 seconds, boom. Okay. So you can have both of these set up to be in mono, so both sounds will be going across both speakers, or you can set them up to stereo, so one of these will be left and one of these will be right. I don't know how this is right now. I'd have to see how to do this. Okay, for somehow reason, this one here is paired. You can see it's a solid blue light. I don't know how I did it. I was playing around with the buttons here. Now I popped this one out, so this one is not linked up. So that's why it's flashing. So let's see here. Let me figure this out again. Move it over to 2. I guess give it a 3 seconds so it starts. Now it's looking, and then give this one press. And it should pop up. Boom, there we go. All right, so now it's solid again. So if you ever unlink it, just hold this, get over to, click this button here to either 1 or 2, whatever one that you're missing. Hold it for 3 seconds, then your little Wi-Fi thing or Bluetooth thing is looking up there. And then you just give a quick push of the button here, and it should pick up automatically. So now we're back on 2. Here we go. All right. I'm going to plug this into, I'm going to hook this on my camera, on my phone, somehow. I have no idea. I'm going to plug this into here. And see if this works on my phone. That's not what I wanted. I want this. All right. Also, if you want to put this into mono, this is in stereo right now, so you can see the 2 lines going back and forth. So each of these is on their own channel. If you want to put it in mono so that both of these are put together, I think you just hold both of these buttons together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. All right. There. Now it's all mono. All right. I think that's what I kind of want. All right, just so you know, this plug here, the TRRS plug that comes with the kit. All right, this does not work on my Android phone. Okay, so what you need is a TRRS to a TRRS. Is that what it is? Yeah, the one with the 3 rings. Come on, focus. There you go. All right. This goes into the phone. This goes into the receiver. Then it picks up the sound. I'll have a link in the description below. Amazon, a link. And it's also on my website, my Link's website, if you're interested. All right, I'm over to my brother's house, testing out the Rode wireless mic. I got it for mainly this purpose too, because I'm always holding the camera. If I'm over here, if not, But anyway, when he's talking, he always tends to walk away. And I always have to edit. In the editing, I always have to cut and crank up the volume when he's talking. So this way, if he walks away, hopefully this will work better. What are you doing? Go ahead and say something.
Testing, testing.
All right. We'll just see if this works. He's over here messing around with his bike too. So this is just a short little test. All right. As you can see, I'm using the Rode mic right now instead of the mic on the phone. But that's the end of the video. I just wanted to do a quick video, show you what I got, the Rode wireless tube mics. I'm going to be getting my camera here pretty soon, then I'm going to be doing, hooking the Rode up to the camera and trying to get that all situated. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. Just trying to update my, equipment, up my game a little bit for the channel. Hopefully, stuff will work out better. Just a short video on this. I didn't want to get into all the specs and like everybody else, walk at 300 feet to see if you can hear me still or whatever. You've all seen those videos. All right, I just wanted to show you what I'm going to be doing with it. Basically, using my phone right now. I wanted to have both mics so when me and my brother are working in the garage that he has one, I have one, and I can hear him and I don't have to edit as much. And then I'm going to be using this on the bike, and I'll probably hook this up to my helmet and and I'll run a lapel mic in my helmet probably to go from there. I don't know, we'll see. But I got a long time to figure out what I'm going to do with the helmet because it's freaking snow out there, so I'm going to have to wait until spring. But anyway. Quick review of this. We'll see how it works out further down the line. Once I edit this, I don't even know what the sound is going to be like, and I'll have to play around with the dBs on it, right? Probably, all right. But anyway, all the links for what I use right now will be in the description below, or you could check out my link website that's also in the description below. It has links to all the stuff that's affiliated with this channel that, behind the backgrounds or whatever, it's all there. I am an affiliate with Amazon, just to let you know, so if you use any of the links to purchase, I will receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. But looked like somebody was coming in my driveway, but all right. But anyway, that's the end of the video, just a quick video. I'm gonna piece this together, see what it sounds and what it sounds like and whatever, and we'll go from there. All right. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think about the Rode Wireless Go 2 mics? All right. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.